Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This time we'll be looking at one of my favorite apps for freeing up disk space. It's called WinDirStat, and its full name is called Windows Directory Statistics. So let's straight get into it. I have the program installed. You can download it. I'll have a link in the description below to the website. When you launch the program for the first time, or the initial launch, you'll be presented with three options. You can scan all local hard drives at once. Well, it'll pick out all the drives and just scan them. Or you can pick individual drives or a selection of drives by using your shift key. Or you can even choose a folder and then scan them. We'll be having a look at the folder option later in the video. So let's scan C drive and see what we find. So I've purposely stashed away two files in here so that we have content to delete down the road. So immediately you notice it'll start to scan all the folders on your hard drive or the location you selected in parallel. And since we've selected C drive, it's the Windows folder is taking the longest, and understandably so. So we'll just give it a sec to finish. One more thing to note is the progress bar is, I think, one of the more accurate progress bar out there in Windows. So yeah, and that's it. It's done. So once you're done, you're presented with three views here. One is the directory, the tree view, and then you have all the extensions are summarized, and then you have the most important thing here, the tree map, and it's very logically laid out. So let me show you what I mean. So if you click the Windows folder, you'll see a white square appear around all the files that are contained within the Windows folder. And if you click the users folder, you can see the same thing happens, but also all the files that are in the users folder. That way you're not confused with what is where. And if you say you happen to select a file down here, let's see, what is this file? That's an Edge installer, and automatically the tree view expands and it shows you exactly where is it in the folder hierarchy. That way it makes it very easy to know what you're doing and where you're processing the file. So back to the example, I have stashed away two files in the users folder, so let's do that. We click the users folder. You can see very obviously these are the two files, so I'm going to show you two ways to delete them. So let's, what I typically do, I go to the file, right click, and I hit Explorer here. This way it brings up the location in Explorer, and that way you can delete the file. So hit delete, and that's it, it's gone. It's in the recycle bin. But you notice it doesn't update the view here. So what you gotta do is, if you right click and you refresh selected, and it'll refresh that branch of the tree so that you don't have to go through all the folders again if you refresh it. That way you can see we have one more offending file. I'm going to show you the other way to delete the file. So just be cautious when deleting files. So it's a disclaimer, delete files at your own risk. So you want to stay away with system files and delete files that you're really familiar with. So the other way here is to delete files from the GUI itself within WinDirStat. So if you click delete here, it will send it to the recycle bin with a warning. And that's it. It's off the recycle bin, and you can see it automatically refreshes the tree map here, and it's ready to go. So as promised, I wanted to show you how to scan a folder. So you're gonna see, click a folder, hit the three dots next to it, and you can select any folder that you want to scan. So for example, let's say we want to look at a specific folder in Windows. Say I'm gonna randomly pick here resources, and you click OK. It will scan that specific folder and present the tree map for it. And you can see here it's only 2 megs in the folder, so we're going to leave it alone. But you can see the power of it. Say your downloads folder or a subfolder within your downloads folder that you want to clean up. So that's the easiest way to jump straight to a location that you want to clean up and get the statistics for it, and then start cleaning up the files in the location. So leave a comment if you have any questions. Hit the like button if you found this video useful. Hit the subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and get the notification if you hit the bell icon. So thank you very much, guys. That's it.